Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this fraction 16 plus 8 divided by 4 over 2. Now we solve it. First we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. According to the PEMDAS rule, numerator is 16 plus 8 divided by 4 and the denominator is 2. So first we solve numerator, then we solve denominator. According to the rule, numerator is 16 plus 8 divided by 2. Now we have one addition and one division. According to the rule, first we solve division, then we solve addition. So equation become 16 plus 8 divided by 4, they give us 2 and denominator is 2. So 16 plus 2, they give us 18 divided by 2. Now 18 divided by 2, they give us 9. So the final answer is 9. Thanks for watching.